I love me some banana bread, and if you don't have it in you to bake a loaf, you can have that same great taste with this banana bread oatmeal. This healthier version allows you to enjoy the crunchy sweet taste with no added sugar. You'll be itching to dig in. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. You can do this step the night before while making dinner. Get a small saucepan of water boiling and grab 2 medjool dates. Open them up and remove the pits. These will act as the natural sugar for your oatmeal. Remove them from the water when the skins begin to peel back. Measure out 40 grams of oats for a single serving. Measure in 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon or pie spice and add it to your oats. Peel the skin from your dates and discard it. Add the dates to a bowl and mash it together to form a paste. Add chunks of 1 medium ripe banana. Smush the banana together with the dates to make a paste with this consistency. Smush is totally a word, by the way. Add 2 ounces of milk to the oats, then half of the banana mixture, and the last 2 ounces of milk, and give it a stir to incorporate. Give it a spin in the microwave for 1 minute. Then top the second half with the banana mixture and fold it in to make it light and fluffy. Finally, it's time to top it with some walnuts for that classic banana bread taste. Pecans are also really good too. Banana bread oatmeal feels like a sinful indulgence, but allows those of us still loving the carbs to feel better about it. This keeps me full all morning long, and the sweetness of the banana and the dates with a hit of warm cinnamon spice is a great way to start the day. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.